Hi, I'm Jen Harper, also Dr. Harper. My specialty these days is correctional medicine. What biases have I faced? Well, I guess it started that I can recollect back when I was around 8 or 9 and pronounced at the dinner table one Sunday afternoon that I was going to be a doctor. Didn't matter that I had been trained and performed as an entertainer from age 4 up until that time. My uncle, very tall, very worldly, looked at me and said, "You can't be a doctor. You're a woman." My mother went off. So everything in between has happened to me as far as bias is concerned. Most recently, I had an inmate tell me, "You can't be a real doctor because you're an actor." I don't know if that was a compliment or not, but what I say to anyone who is on their journey towards success, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. What matters is your courage to continue. That's what takes you along the journey. Courage. Keep fighting. You can lead in a man's world.